Rain by Marion, Dane, Bauer. The day is hot. The sun shines bright. The flowers wilt. The grass goes limp. Even the birds are still. And then a gray cloud covers the sun. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops grow larger and larger. They bump into one another. They grow so heavy that they fall. Rain. The flowers drink. The grass drinks. The birds drink. The world is fresh and clean. The sun comes out again, bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air? Into the sky? Into that cloud up there? And then the tiny drops of water gather into clouds again. The drops grew heavier and heavier until rain falls once more. And the whole world smiles.